Good morning, sir.
So what we had discussed in our last session, we had discussed about like how to create the user action, right? How to create the user action. Do I have this one for this? Yes or no? Okay. So not this one exactly. What we will do, I will create one. So what we had discussed, we have UI, right? This is if, for example, say Redux app. Yes or no? Then what we are doing? This Redux app is, it is actually front end. This is a front end. Sorry, my bad. Okay, this is the front end. This is the application. Okay, this application is doing what as of now? It is having, say, users get all users, all this. There are multiple components are there. Okay, now what we are having here, we are having a server side application, server side utility, which is providing, which is a black box for us. We don't know what and all things are. It must be having some databases. It is having some services. It is returning at the end of the day. It is returning data whenever we are doing a REST call. Yes or no? We are doing a REST call. So what we have done so far, we have created actions. We have created actions. If you see here in our application, in our last application, what we had done, we have a action. Where is action? This is action is a component actually. If you see here, this action is a component. This is the action. This is the action component. So what we are doing? We are basically creating an interfacing unit, that is user action. Yes or no? User action is having what? See here. In this user action, what you are having? You are having user action is direct. It is a function. It is doing a server call. It is doing a server call here. Yes or no? It is doing a server call here. So this is doing a server call. This is a server call. Server call .js. Inside this, you have all the operations like get, yes or no, post, put, and delete. And this is basically interacting with the server. Now, in the user action, what we are doing? In the user action, we are calling this API. In the user action, we are calling this API. So, in the user action, what we are doing? We are calling this API. Okay. So, this is a user action. Okay. This is a user action. We are calling this server call API. We are calling this API. This is really bad. Okay. We are calling this API. And after that, what we are doing? After we get a response here, see here, what we are doing? Then we are calling mystore.dispatch. See here. We are calling here server call. This is the server call. This is a server call function get request. And after that, after we get it, then what we are doing? We are calling mystore.dispatch and we are just sending this data. So here we are doing mystore.dispatch. So mystore.dispatch is going to do what? It is going to, so this guy is doing what? mystore.dispatch. So when you are doing mystore.dispatch, what it is doing? It is going to my reducer or say user reducer here. User reducer. Yes or no? And what it is doing in the user reducer is taking this and it is storing it to the my store. Yes or no? So this is the workflow. Now in this, when we are doing a dispatch, before that what we are doing, we are making a server call, and this is the action from where we are triggering this user action. Okay, we have seen this. Now when we are doing these actions, these actions can also be replaced with what? Thunk. Action can be replaced with thunk. Thunk is also a middleware service. Thunk is also a middleware service. Okay. So what it does basically, what is the role of thunk here? So thunk will internally, it is going to create an action. What does it mean action? We know Redux, architecture, right? Redux architecture, what it does? In the front end, this is the front end. Then front end creates what? Actions using dispatches. Then action talks to whom? To the reducer. And reducer talks to whom? To the store. Yes or no? Then it does what? It syncs the state and finally your UI gets it. This is the cycle. This is a closed loop. Yes or no? Now, Thunk is what? Thunk is actually, it is a action creator. Thunk creates action. Okay. So like it is going to return a function, returns a function. Okay. So, and the functions, what happens in the function, we are going to tie up the dispatch method so that it is going to do what? It is going to create the actions and it is going to finally do the dispatch. Okay. So today we are going to see what we are doing exactly with the thunk. Okay. So now, so let's go to our application. We have seen already last time that let me start this application. You become pretty slow. It's not responding also. Okay. This is our Redux utility we had developed. Yes or no? This is the action. This is the action you can see here. So what it is doing? Whenever you are calling save user, then okay, still the debugger is there. Okay, so it is going to retrieve the data and what it is doing. See here in the previous state, what it is, this user was undefined, but in the next state, that means in the Redux now, all the array object, that means all the user objects are there. These are coming from where? These are coming from where? From the server side. And which is the call? Which is the call here? You can go to the services and you can see here. So this is, sorry, my bad. In the user action, you can see this is the call. This is the call, whatever it is giving. This is what? This is a get request. This is a get request. We had already done this, right? Yes or no? We had already done this. So you can send it. You are getting 200 response. See all this, all these are the responses. And same responses we are getting here. Okay. So today we'll be going with thunk. Okay. So what we will do? What we will do? Let's see. This is the post requests, right? It is the get post. So we have user, we have posts. Okay. This is post, this is comment, this is album. So if I'm taking post is not, it is post request. Okay. Post means they have posted something. See here, title, body. Okay. This is the user IDs. So this user has done how many posts? User ID 1. Okay. ID 1, ID 2, ID 3, ID 4. See, this is the user 1. That means one user has done how many posts? You can see here. Almost 10 posts. Then user 2. User 2 has done some, 10 posts. User 3 has done some 10 posts. Yes or no? User 4 has done some 10 posts. It is not a post request. It is just what? Posted something. Okay. Whichever you can get in a browser directly by hitting, that are what? That are all get requests. They are all get requests. Yes or no? Now, so what we will do? We will go here. Where is our thunk? Okay. And what we will do now? What we will do now here? We will add a button in this. Go and add a button in this. So for example, button. Okay. Say we want to do what? We want to fetch these posts. Okay. So what we will write? Say get posts. Okay. What we will do? We'll bind a on click. Okay. Say for example, this dot what we can give the name function get posts dot bind this. You know why I'm doing this? You know very well why I'm doing this. If anyone doesn't know, please revisit what we had covered so far. Yes or no? So what I'll do, I'll copy this one. I'll copy this one. Now we will go here. We will say function get posts. Yes or no? Function get posts. Now, what we are going to do in this? What we are going to do in this? If you see this architecture, now Thunk is a middleware service. Thunk is a middleware service. Yes or no? So in this, if you see the earlier one, what we are doing here? What we are doing here in this action, in this action in the middleware, whom we are calling user action. You have created a user action. Yes or no? Now we are going to create what? Likewise, user action, we are going to create what? A Thunk action we are going to create. Or say it is a post action. Get post action. Yes or no? I am going to create say, okay, post actions. What it is? It is a normal function. It is a normal function. So what I will write is a const get posts. Yes or no? Get post Thunk action. We can keep. It is good to keep the same name. It is a good practice to keep the same. This is a normal function. So get post Thunk action. So just rename it. Yes or no? Sorry, my bad. You can rename it just with post Thunk action because we will have all sort of methods here. Yes or no? Yes or no? Then after that, what we are going to do? We are going to export this function. Export. Okay. Sorry, I had missed this one. Okay. Fine. Now, in user action, what you had done? In user action, what you had done? See here, you are doing a server call here. You are doing a server call here, right? You're doing a server call here. Here it was user action. Now it is post action. This is a user action. This is a this one is what? It is user action, right? User action. This is what? Get post. So posts action. Posts. Yes or no? Posts. So what we are going to do? What we are going to do? We are going to import now. We will go here. We'll go here to Thunk. Okay. We will import what? Import. What we have exported here? What we have exported here? Get post Thunk action. Yes or no? Get post Thunk action. So go here, import. Yes or no? From where? Okay. So here my actions slash post Thunk action. Okay. So after that, what we will do? After that, what we will do? After that, we are going to now call whom? Call our
API.
where API call will be has to be there. Yes or no? API call has to be there. So for this region, what we have to do? First, we have to complete the server calls here. Yes or no? Here you have to import what? You have to import the server calls. And before that, just go and invoke it here. Here inside this, say for example, directly get post func action. You can call this. Okay. Once this workflow, this func workflow, upon clicking on this, it is going to call this. It will go here. The call will go here. Yes or no? Now this call has to do what? It has to make what? Server calls. It has to make server calls. How? You need to first import server call, right? Am I correct? This is a server call. Yes. From what is the name? Services. Okay, services. Server call. So all the methods inside server call are what? All the methods inside server call are what? They are static. They are static. So directly we can do what? We can call them using a class name server call dot. What it is? Is it a get request or a post request? It is still a
Post.
no. It's a get. See, whatever you can see on the browser likewise, these are all get request. When post, then you have to attach a payload, which will be going and getting saved. Yes or no? This is, you can see you hit this, you are getting it in normal browser. That means it is a get. Here, this element is post. That means somebody has done posts on a blog or somewhere. This is the title of the post. This is the body. This is the content of the post. That is there. But this is not a post request. This is a get request. Its name is post. Am I clear, guys? So the
Yes.
request is what type it is? Request is get type or post type?
Get tab.
It is a get type. Yes or no? It is a get type. So what we will do? We will take this. We'll go here server call. Then what request will go? Request. Get request or will go or post request? Get request. Yes or no? Get request. Get request. What you achieve by doing this? What you achieve by doing this? In the server call, which one you have to? You are calling get request. Whatever the URL you are passing, that URL will be taken and passed to XCS. XCS is going to get it. XCS is going to get this URL for you. Yes or no? Okay. These have the limitation. They do not have any post requests. Okay. These are posts, comments, album, photos, all these things are here. It is one post request is there, but it is not enabled. See, these are enabled. This is not enabled. Put is there. Okay.
No, sir.
But
This is the argument that we can put.
no, argument is okay. See, is it enabled? This service is not enabled because post. Why they are not enabling? Let me tell you.
We can
Because
post the value.
you can post the value, and how many posts they can? They have a limited server. They might have posted it on AWS or somewhere. People will post
100,
like anything.
100, 100.
Then how much memory they can put? So that's why post, put, patch. These links are there. Okay, but they are not enabled. Okay, so only get is enabled for this service. Don't worry. Whenever we will go to Node.js, we will be doing an put, post, delete everything. At that time, you will understand this. This is just we are now we are just learning what we are learning how we are managing the Redux.
Thunk.
Okay, fine. Okay, now so this is the URL. This is the URL. Now tell me. So here in this URL, what you are supposed to do? This is a call which will be having promises because it is going to trigger a request to the server. And after getting, what you are supposed to use? Either a then or a catch block, either a then or a catch block. Yes or no? But here we are not keeping it. Why? Because this dealing with how you are going to manage in case of successful response or how you are going to manage in case of failure response is actually it is supposed to be that responsibility is supposed to be given to the caller itself. We can manage it here, but five, five different components will use this, and they will be dealing with after getting response. They will be dealing with the response as per their own requirement. So rather than keeping dot then and dot catch block here, where we are putting, we are going to put it where? Here. Yes or no? Here. So how you are going to put it? How you are going to put it? Guys, how you are going to put it? Dot then?
Dot then
Yes or no? Dot then
Yeah.
and dot
catch.
catch. Now, both of them except what? One callback. One callback. Yes or no? One callback.
Response and error.
And whatever the response this guy is returning, we can capture them because that will be automatically passed to here as a result or a response. Yes or no? So if you are going to manage this, then what you are going to do now after getting this, where you are going to dispatch it? In a normal case, where you are supposed to dispatch it? You're supposed to
Catch
call the
dot error.
dispatcher. You're supposed to call the dispatcher service. And where is the dispatcher service, guys? Where is the dispatcher service? How you are going to get the dispatcher service? By using my store. By using my store. Yes or no? So now we have just one user reducer here. We have one user reducer here in this. Let's go to the reducer. Where is the reducer? Yes. User reducer. Yes or no? Now what we are going to create? We are going to create a post reducer also. We are going to create a post reducer. Yes or no? Post reducer.js. Okay. So what we are going to do now? What we are going to do now? We are going to have the posts. So posts have to be fast. They have to be where? They have to be kept in init. Yes or no? The data has to be kept where? In the init, because we are going to get it, right? Yes or no? So we are going to get it. Now if you go here, why this is, I think I need to restart my system. It's not responding, or so many devices are attached to this because of that. See here, these are the posts. Now this structure, this is what? See here, it is array of posts. It is array of posts. So what we will do first, we will go and to the utilities. Where is the utilities? Here. Yes or no? Now in the utilities, what we need? What do we need? We have also, we are going to export. Here it is constant init. Yes or no? Rather than exporting default init, what I am going to do? Now I am going to put it as export constant init. And I am going to export one more, that is const what? Post. This is posts. Yes or no? Posts init. Right? And this posts init is having what? This is having posts. Is an array. Now it's no more default. Now it's no more default. So when it is no more default, then what do we need to do? We need to, when we are going to export it, then we need to destructure it. We need to destructure it. Yes or no? We need to destructure it. So what we are going to do now? Tell me. We have to write our
Reducer.
this reducer. We have to write. What reducer you are going to write? What your reducer you are going to write? You have to write
Post reducer.
post reducer. So start writing. First you need to do what? You need to write a const post
Post reducer.
reducer. Yes or
Initial
no?
state. Take object initial
Then
state.
it is what? Reducer is
Initial.
what? It is a normal function only. Yes or no?
Yes.
Then it takes two arguments. What are those?
Initial state and action.
State and action. State and action. Yes or no? State and action. Then this state is what? Initial state. How you are going to manage initial state?
Post init.
Import post init. Yes or no? Post init from where?
Post init. Yes,
Utilities.
services. Utilities. Okay. Utilities. Where are utilities?
Utilities. Then
Yes.
init. In this. What is the name of this? Post init. Post init. Yes or no? So go and import this post init. Destructure it.
State is equal to post init.
So state equals to now post
Post
init.
init.
Yes or no? Okay. Now. So how we are going to manage what we are going to do next here? Whenever as per our request, whenever we are going to get, so we have to take now what we are going to get in the action. What is the action type? Yes or no? So we need to check the conditions. What is that? If action dot type equals to what? Say for example, let it be posts. In that case, what you are going to do? What you are going to do? You are going to add it to the state.
And
And after that, posts is what? So for
Post.
example, action.data. Action.data. Yes or no? So this all have to be a part of what? As a part of state. As a part of state. Did you understand?
सर
yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me.
सर सर
Tell me.
ये इफ एक्शन हेलो
हाँ.
सर
Tell
ये
me.
हमने जो लिया है इफ एक्शन डॉट टाइप इज इक्वल टू पोस्ट अगर होता है तो ये जो स्टेट है ये तो सिर्फ एक वेरिएबल में हम डाल रहे हैं, ये मतलब वो स्टेट नहीं है ना जो स्टोर से आ रहा है।
This is coming from store. For the first time, it is taking the init. After that, it is coming
नहीं
from the store.
नहीं मतलब ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट हम जो इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट में जो डाल रहे हैं स्टेट इक्वल टू स्टेट को हमने स्टेट किया और पोस्ट डॉट एक्शन डॉट डेटा में भेजना, तो ये जो स्टेट ये वेरिएबल है, ये इसका ये वो डायरेक्ट स्टेट गेट स्टेट मतलब वो नहीं है, मतलब ये केवल एक वेरिएबल का नेम है, हम यहाँ कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, ये पूछ रहा हूँ।
Your reducer directly it connects to whom? To the store.
ओके सर, आई गॉट इट।
Did you get it?
यस सर।
So what happens? Your reducer takes two arguments always. Yes or no? One is state and another one is what?
Action.
Action. Action is coming from which side? This is the action. It is coming from this side, and state is coming from this side. So state is nothing but a reflection of your store or not. Whatever is there in the store, it is working. It is going hand to hand or not, hand in hand. Yes or no? See here. Here also, state equals to what? Init, and this is the action. Action is coming from where? From the front end side. The state is coming from where? From the which side? Store side. From the store side. Yes or no? Okay. Are you clear? Who was asking this? Sumit. Sumit.
यस सर, वो थोड़ा कंफ्यूज था, हो गया ठीक, क्लियर हो गया। गॉट इट सर, थैंक यू।
Welcome.
प्लीज बी कंटिन्यू सर।
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So now what this reducer does, it returns what? Returns an object. Which object it will return? State. And after that you are going to export default what? Post
Reducer.
reducer. Okay. So we are done with the reducer. See how many reducers are there now? 2 reducers are there. What I had told, this was the user reducer. Now you are having what? You are having also a posts reducer. So this is also to register to my store. Where you are going to register? Where you are going to register? Do you remember combine reducers?
Combine reducer.
Combine
Reducer.
reducers function is there where you can register n number of reducers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many reducers you want, you can register. Where it is? When you are and you are going to pass this to create store. Yes or no? Where? In my store. In my store. So what we are going to do? What we are going to do now? We'll go to my store. We'll go to my store. Where is store? This is the store. We'll go to my store. Here, this is the user reducer is there. Now what do we need to import? We need to import post reducer. Yes or no? Post reducer. From, tell me. From reducers and here what? Post reducer. After you get it, this post reducer you can directly register here. That is what? Post reducer is post reducer. Or if both are same, then you can eliminate and you can keep one. Now see, there are 2 registers for this store. Sorry, 2 reducers for this store. This is user reducer. This is post reducer. Yes or no? So your store is connected with 2 reducers. So this link is established. This link is established. Getting? Now, so you have rest of the services in place, Yes or no? So now let's go and see. Let's go and run this. Save this one. Save this one. Server calls is okay. Post reducer, you have already saved this. Yes or no? Post reducer, you have saved this. It is saved. You have created this function get and have bound. This is what you are doing. You are calling get post action. Right. So let's go and now do what? Let's go to our application. Clean this. Okay. Now Thunk is having what? Get posts. If I'm doing get posts, if I'm clicking get post, what will happen? What will happen? It is supposed to call. It is not calling. What is missing here? Action. The action part is missing. What is missing there in the action part? We are not dealing with the response. We are not dealing with the response. Go to the action. That is user action, post Thunk action here. And what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to do a dispatch. Yes or no? So what you need to do? You need to import first my store. From where? Store. Yes or no? Store, my store. After getting this my store, what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to call dispatch my store dot, tell me, dispatch. This dispatcher will do what? This dispatcher will do what? This dispatcher will take an object. This dispatcher will take an object. What object it will take? Whichever has to be updated in the store. We are getting already the response. We are already getting the response. So what we can do? We can put a debugger. We can put a debugger here. Yes or no? Now get post debugger. In the response, what you are getting? See response. It is what? Response dot what? It is data. Yes or no? See here. All posts you are getting. All posts you are getting here. See. So response dot data. Yes or no? So it is response dot data. And type is what? Type is what you have defined. Posts. What you have defined for type? Go to the post reducer. What is type you have defined? Posts. Yes or no? So inside this post, this is what you are going to do. You are going to put the type as posts, right? And after that, what you have defined for the other one? What you have defined for the other one? This is action.data. So you are going to put the data. Data is coming where? Here is the response. Here is the response. Response dot what? Data. It is dot operator, right? Response dot data. Inside data, all the this arrays are there. So you can say response dot data. If any issue happens, what you can do? You can put as, for example, got it. We can display them. We can do whatever we want. Yes or no? Now, if I'm doing get posts, run it. Okay. So if you are doing get post, so did we refresh it? Refresh it. Did you save this? So if you call get posts, then what it will do now? It is going to get the data. See here, it is getting the data, all 100 arrays here. Here user array was this is nothing but the posts, user ID, title, yes or no? And after that, you want to see that, you can expand this ID, title. This is the body. Is the body. Now, so we have already done this. Yes or no? We are getting the response. This is the request. This is the request. Whenever it is going for a get request, what it is happening? So it is see. We are getting post reducer is there. User reducer is there. Why it is telling user reducer array 100? So here post reducer array 0, not defined. Here it is telling user reducer, and post reducer is what? User array, it is giving 100. It's wrong, right? This is wrong. We are supposed to get where? It is supposed to in this array 0 post reducer. It is telling posts, nothing. Here in user reducer, it is
I
getting.
think this is showing the initial state.
Sorry.
Post reducer showing initial state, I think.
Post reducer is showing initial state only. But this is you are requesting for whom? Get posts. Yes or no? Get posts. So now what you are supposed to do? Here it is type is post. Here this is data. Yes or no? Now if you go here to the post reducer, this is the post reducer. If this is action type equals to post, yes or no, then it is returning what? The state. It is returning the state, but it is not returning the right type. Yes or no? It is returning for which one? This is returning for this action. Action type is going as user data. Why it is going as user data? If you go to the request, where is the request? There is the action. Where is the thunk? This is the thunk. And here you are calling get post thunk. Yes or no? This is getting the post. Here it is doing my store.dispatch. It is type is post. It is doing, and it is doing response.data also. Yes or no? Okay, that we will check. Okay, why it is. Now what we are going to do? We are going to replace this service with thunk. We are going to replace this service with thunk. So what we are going to do? We are just going to import thunk first. We are going to import thunk. So let's go and check now. This is doing get post, yes or no? Now it is calling get post. This is doing result.data. Okay. this data it is getting. After that, type is posts. Yes or no? So when type is post, it is going here, post reducer, type is action, type is post, and it is telling state is post action data. So its reducer name should be reducer name. Did we raise posts reducer? Yes or no? Post reducer. Go to my store. Its name is posts reducer. See here, guys. Its name is what? Posts reducer. Yes or no? Are you there? All are there listening? Can you
Yes,
say
Sunil.
yes? Okay. So its name is posts reducer. Its name is posts reducer. You have not registered posts reducer. You have not registered the proper one. Yes or no? So now go here, reload this. Get posts. Yes or no? Is it going to the proper one? Is it going to the proper one now? It is user reducer and posts reducer. So still it is showing in the user reducer. Why? It is post reducer. It is correct here. Yes or no? Now it is in this user reducer. Okay. So what we can do here is to save all this post thunk. That is post thunks. Yes or no? And where is thunk? Here it is. Get post thunk action. Is correct. Okay. Anyway, first, sorry, what we will do? We will now first we are going to install thunk library. Okay, we are going to install the thunk library. What we are going to do here? There is no thunk library here, right? There is no thunk library here. So first, let's go and install npm install. Tell me redux thunk. Save it. Okay, it's downloading the thunk library here. So now here you can see redux thunk. Here you can see redux thunk. Okay, once it is installed, it is which version? 2.4.1. 2.4.1. Okay, so now we will use this service. We are going to use this service. Okay, so what we will do? What we will do now? 1 second. Guys, 2 minutes. Give me few minutes.
हेलो हेलो सर सागर
Yes or no? हाँ, yes, Sumit.
Okay. So what we are going to do now? We have already installed Redux Thunk. Yes or no? So we have to replace whatever we have done so far. The way normal actions we have used, now we are going to use Thunk for this. And Thunk is what? Thunk is a middleware service. So any middleware service, this can replace what? This can replace what? This can replace, like, this action. This Thunk will be replacing this action. So what we have to do first, as a middleware service, any middleware service for a particular store have to be first registered, right? That this middleware service is meant for this store. So store should be able to first identify what and all middleware services it is having. So your store must be aware of that. Okay. How you can make your store aware of that? You have to register your middleware services. Do you remember? Apply middleware. Apply middleware. Okay. Apply middleware is the service. So in apply middleware, what we are going to do? We are having already one service, that is what? Logger. We are already having what service? Logger service. So what we are going to do now? We are going to register. We are going to register. So let's go and first register our middleware services. Let's go to the store. Where is our store, guys? This is the store. Import. We are going to import Thunk, right? Yes or no? Thunk from, it's a middleware service. Which is the library we are going to import it from? Redux.
Redux
Thunk. Yes or no? This is Thunk. This is Thunk. Then where we are going to register this? We are going to register this in the middleware services. Yes or no? So it is in the middleware services. Okay, fine. Now what we are going to do with this? This is import Thunk from Redux Thunk. Okay, then we have registered this service with our middleware. That means now your store is aware that I have the middleware services registered with me are Logger and Thunk. Okay, Thunk is also a middleware which is registered with the store. Now we have already our actions in place, but what we are going to do? We are going to mold it to the Thunk way. We are going to mold it to the Thunk way. And what we are going to do with that? What we are going to do that? How we are going to do that? So first and foremost, we go to our action. This is the action, right? This is the server call. We are doing a function get request. Yes or no? And we are directly doing what we are calling mystore.dispatch. Type is post. Data is result.data. Right? We don't need this approach anymore. This is the action provider, right? Who is the action provider? Get posts Thunk action. Get posts Thunk action is the action provider. Okay, so we have to now replace this service. Okay, with Thunk. So what we are going to do? Let's first go to the Thunk.js. What we are doing directly, we are invoking this action. We will not be following this anymore. Okay, we will not be directly invoking this action from where? From the direct component. Okay, in the component we are directly calling the action. Okay, that is where is it varies, right? This action may be now in the Thunk way. Yes or no? So directly we are calling this action inside this component, Now we'll not be calling this action directly. We will do what? We will we'll use the thunk library to do that. Yes or no? Yes or no? So we have to do the binding. We have to do the binding. Okay, thunk binding. So there is a function called bind creator, thunk bind creator. Bind action creators. Bind action creators in thunk. Okay, so what we are going to do? What we are going to do now? We are going to import. We are going to import thunk bind action creators. Bind action creators. Okay, so we are going to do what? We are going to take bind action creator from which library? From Redux. We have destructured this because Redux is not only the provider for bind action creators. Okay, bind action creators is what? It is a function. It is a function. Now we will not be calling action directly because this approach is what? This approach is this one. Now we are going with this one. So the way we are going to invoke the action creator, action provider, action creator from this component will change now. We are now directly not calling this. We are going to use what? Bind action creators. Bind action creator is equivalent to, why bind word is there in the action creator is fine. But what is bind? What is bind keyword, guys? Call, apply, bind. Do you remember? Do you remember what is bind method? In bind, what you do? First, you bind your function. You bind your function. Then later you call it like this. Do you remember this? Can you say yes?
Yes, sir.
Call, apply, bind. Yes or no? We call it twice. We call it twice, right? Likewise, this bind keyword says that it is an action creator which is following this bind approach. That means it can be called at any point of time. That means how you are going to call this? How you are going to call this? You are going to call this like this. And this bind action creator takes two arguments. See here, if you extract this, it takes two arguments. One is what? The action creator. Action creator is who? Get post thunk action is the action creator. Yes or no? Get posts action is the get post thunk action is the action creator. This is the first argument. And what is the second argument it takes? It takes the dispatch method. Dispatch is from where? My store. Dispatch is from where? My store. So my store.dispatch you have to call now. Turns an object whose value are action creators into an object with the same keys, but with every function wrapped into a dispatch call. So they may be invoked directly. See here, my action creator do something. Store.dispatch, my action creator do something. Yourself, you can create. Okay, so it is going to take two arguments. What are those? First one is the action creator, and second one is the dispatch. Okay, so what we are going to do? First, we are going to where we are going to get our dispatcher. Where we are going to get our dispatch with the store object, right? Yes or no? So can we say import store? Can you say import? It's my store, right? Yes or no? My store from store, my store. Yes or no? So after doing that, what we are going to do? After doing that, we got our store. If we got our store object, what we can do? We can do a bind. We can do a bind. We can do a dispatch. We can do a dispatch. So dispatcher is required, right? As the second argument. So taking this object, what you can call dispatch. See the approach, how it is changing. Earlier, what you are doing when you are providing, you are using this one, you are using this one, right? At that time, directly you are doing what? You are calling from here. You are calling from here. Now, what you are doing? You are using the thunk way. When you are using thunk way, first you are doing what? You are calling this bind action creator. You are calling this bind action creator. To the bind action creator, you are giving what? Get post thunk action. And my store.dispatch you are giving here. Whereas in this, what you are doing here? My store.dispatch you are calling here. Now you are no more you are required to call this from here, because you are binding it where? You are binding it where? Here only, here itself. Yes or no? So can we say now whenever we are using thunk, what is the key, key feature of thunk? You are going to call now what? Bind action creator. Bind action creator. And you are going to take two arguments. You are going to take two arguments. What are they? Action, and other one is store.dispatch. Store.dispatch. Action and store.dispatch. Right? So how we are going to handle this going forward? Okay. How we are going to handle this going forward? So would it be fine? We will continue from here next. Guys,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
something important is there. Okay. What we will do? We will continue from here, because in this my action will change now. Okay, this action will change now. We don't need this service anymore. We don't need this service anymore. This approach will completely change now. Yes or no? So we will finish it. It is not more. So we will finish it in tomorrow's class regarding this. Then we will start with the saga. Any doubts so far? Guys,
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
let me pause the recording, stop the recording.